हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू दिस न्यू वीडियो। सो रात के बज रहे हैं 3 और मैंने मंगाया है मिसिसिपी मड मिसिसिपी मड आइसक्रीम केक रोल स्लाइस। भाई साहब कितना बड़ा नाम है। ठीक है। एंड सेकंड वाला है रेड वेलवेट आइसक्रीम केक रोल स्लाइस। यस भाई साहब, बहुत बड़ा नाम है। ओके, सो दिस इज़ द मिसिसिपी वन एंड दिस इज़ द रेड वेलवेट वन। ओके, and let's try and I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, so starting with the Mississippi mud, yeah, I'll start with the chocolate flavor then. Just give me a second, I'll open the pack in front of you guys. Okay, एक हाथ से ब्रो मुश्किल है. Anyways, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, okay, it looks decent. Okay, yeah, this is the red velvet one. Okay, yeah, these both of them look good in my opinion, right? Let me know what you guys think about it. Anyways, let's try the first one. I'll start with, okay, इसको यहाँ रख लिया अपने पैर पे और इसको भी मैंने अपने पैर पे रख लिया है. Yes, so I'll start with this one. I want to take a little bit of ice cream also. मुझे लग रहा है स्पून ही टूट जाएगा. Okay, sorry for the video quality यार. Yes, my bad. So this is the cake slice. I hope you can see it, guys. Yes, now it is in focus. Yeah, it looks good, right? Now let's do a taste test. Okay. I think I have to take another spoon. This tastes bad. I think it is all. It is just sugar syrup coated something, and this thing. The ice cream itself is good, but I don't like the sugar coating. This thing, this black and white thing. I don't like this one because it is just sugar syrup. That's it. So it tastes bad. The bread is decent. Well, let's try the ice cream only. The ice cream itself is very good, but overall the cake is very mid. I'll give it less rating. I think, yeah, not a high rating. I don't think it deserves a very high rating. Anyways, moving on to cheesecake, red velvet cheesecake. Okay, you can see that I've taken a good amount of ice cream. Wait a sec. Sorry. Yes, this is the topping and this is the cake part. Also, everything in one. Okay, I think I have to take another bite. Yeah, that's a huge bite. I don't know whatever that is. Red velvet is good. Yes, red velvet tastes good. ये तो बहुत अच्छा है भाई, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I can order the entire cake. Like this is really good. You can see it, guys. Okay. Now comparing these two, obviously red velvet is better. You all should, if you all wanna go for only one uh, slice of cake, or only, or you wanna order something which you don't feel disappointed. If you're a chocolate guy who likes chocolate, then you can go for obviously the Mississippi mud. But let me tell you, the sugar coating, this thing doesn't taste good at all. You know, this sugar coating, this tastes really bad. Anyways, I'll give this one, the Mississippi mud one, uh, uh, a 7 out of 10. Yeah. The Mississippi one, I'll be giving a 7 out of 10. And the red velvet cheesecake, I can easily give 8.5 out of 10. Like it's really good. I'm giving less rating because I believe there are better ice cream cakes out there for sure. But yeah, it deserves 8.5. And let me tell you all, to all those who out there who are watching my video for the first time, I don't give high ratings very easily. In my last video where I ate Amritsari butter paneer uh, lasagna, right? Lasagna, whatsoever it was. I gave it a 9 rating, but later on, I rated it in the description to 7, I guess, 7 or maybe 8. I don't remember right now. So yeah, I was really, that first bite gave a really good impression, but the overall, after eating the overall lasagna, it was not up to my expectations at all. Anyways, I'll give it a solid 8.5. The red velvet cheesecake, the red velvet ice cream cake slice, and the Mississippi mud ice cream cake slice, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, guys, thank you so much for the video, for watching. Take care. Bye bye.